Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Office Lens and granting camera and storage access so the app can save and enhance scans. Choose Document Mode because it optimizes edges and text for PDF output. Hold your device steady and align the page within the guide. Tap the shutter or let Auto Capture grab it. Once done, review the preview. Use the crop handles to tighten edges and rotate if needed. This immediate feedback ensures the final PDF will be clean and readable. Now focus on quality. Apply filters and adjust contrast to make text pop, because OCR accuracy depends on clear images. Use the crop tool to remove margins and straighten skewed pages. Rotate any landscape scans. To combine pages, tap Add and continue scanning, then reorder by dragging thumbnails so your PDF flows correctly. Make sure to enable OCR and select the correct language so exported PDFs are searchable. This saves time when you later search or copy text from the document. Finish by tapping Done and selecting PDF as the export format. Pick OneDrive or local storage depending on where you need access. Name the file descriptively and ensure the searchable PDF toggle is on if you ran OCR. This makes text selectable. Share directly from the Save dialog when needed. If pages look fuzzy or OCR fails, retry scanning with stronger, even lighting, use a tripod or steady surface, and increase contrast. These fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.